Agriculture has come a long way from traditional farming methods to embracing cutting-edge technologies that revolutionize the industry. The integration of technology in agriculture has significantly improved efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. One of the most prominent technologies making waves in the agricultural sector is the use of drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have transformed the way farmers manage their crops and livestock. These aerial vehicles equipped with cameras and sensors can provide valuable data on crop health, soil conditions, and irrigation needs. By analyzing this data, farmers can make informed decisions to optimize their farming practices. Drones have proven to be particularly useful in large-scale farms, where monitoring vast areas of land manually would be time-consuming and labor-intensive. They enable farmers to detect crop diseases, pests, and nutrient deficiencies early, allowing for timely interventions to prevent yield loss. Moreover, drones can also be used for precision agriculture, where inputs such as water, fertilizers, and pesticides are applied only where and when needed, reducing waste and environmental impact. Despite their numerous benefits, drones also pose challenges such as regulatory restrictions, high initial costs, and limited flight time. Another groundbreaking technology in agriculture is genetic engineering. Genetic engineering involves manipulating the genetic material of plants to introduce desirable traits such as pest resistance, drought tolerance, and increased yield. This technology has led to the development of genetically modified crops that offer higher nutritional value, longer shelf life, and improved resistance to biotic and abiotic stresses. Genetic engineering has the potential to address food security challenges by producing crops that can thrive in adverse conditions and resist diseases. However, the use of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, in agriculture raises ethical concerns regarding environmental impact, food safety, and biodiversity. As technology continues to advance, the future of agriculture holds exciting possibilities. Innovations such as precision farming, artificial intelligence, and blockchain are poised to further transform the agricultural landscape, making farming more sustainable, efficient, and resilient to climate change. Drones have emerged as game changers in the field of agriculture, offering innovative solutions to age-old farming challenges. These unmanned aerial vehicles are equipped with advanced cameras and sensors that can capture high-resolution images of crops and fields. By analyzing this data, farmers can gain valuable insights into crop health, soil moisture levels, and pest infestations. One of the key roles of drones in agriculture is crop monitoring. Drones can cover large areas of farmland in a fraction of the time it would take a human to do so manually. This enables farmers to detect issues such as nutrient deficiencies, water stress, and disease outbreaks early on, allowing for targeted interventions. Additionally, drones are instrumental in precision agriculture, where inputs like fertilizers and pesticides are applied with pinpoint accuracy. This not only reduces wastage, but also minimizes the environmental impact of farming practices. Another interesting application of drones in agriculture is crop spraying. Drones equipped with spraying mechanisms can precisely apply chemicals to crops, reducing the exposure of farm workers to harmful substances and ensuring uniform coverage. Moreover, drones can be used for aerial seeding, planting cover crops, and even monitoring livestock. Despite their numerous benefits, drones also face challenges such as limited flight time, regulatory restrictions, and data management issues. As technology continues to evolve, drones are becoming more sophisticated, with features like thermal imaging and multispectral cameras being integrated for enhanced data collection. Overall, drones have revolutionized the way farmers approach crop management, offering a cost-effective and efficient tool for sustainable agriculture. Drones have revolutionized farming practices by offering a myriad of benefits to farmers. One of the key advantages of using drones in agriculture is their ability to provide real-time, high-resolution aerial imagery of crops and fields. This data allows farmers to monitor crop health, identify areas of stress, and detect pest infestations early on. By addressing issues promptly, farmers can take targeted actions to mitigate potential crop losses and optimize yields. Additionally, drones enable farmers to conduct field surveys more efficiently and accurately than traditional methods, saving time and labor costs. Another significant benefit of using drones in farming is their role in precision agriculture. Drones equipped with specialized sensors can collect data on soil moisture levels, nutrient content, and plant health, allowing for precise application of inputs such as fertilizers and pesticides. This targeted approach not only improves crop quality but also reduces the environmental impact of farming practices by minimizing chemical usage and runoff. Moreover, drones enhance farm safety by reducing the need for manual labor in hazardous tasks such as crop scouting and spraying. With drones, farmers can access hard-to-reach areas and steep terrains without putting themselves at risk. Overall, the adoption of drones in agriculture leads to increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and sustainable farming practices. While drones offer numerous benefits to agriculture, they also come with their fair share of challenges and limitations. One of the primary challenges faced by drone technology in agriculture is regulatory restrictions. Many countries have strict regulations governing the commercial use of drones, including restrictions on flight altitude, distance from populated areas, and licensing requirements. Navigating these regulations can be cumbersome for farmers looking to integrate drones into their operations. Another significant limitation of drone technology in agriculture is the issue of data management. Drones generate vast amounts of data through aerial imaging and sensor readings, which need to be processed and analyzed to derive meaningful insights. This requires specialized software and expertise, adding to the overall cost and complexity of using drones on the farm. Additionally, drones have limited flight time and payload capacity, which can restrict their effectiveness in covering large agricultural areas or carrying heavy equipment. Weather conditions such as strong winds, rain, or extreme temperatures can also impact drone performance and pose safety risks. Moreover, the initial investment and maintenance costs of drones can be prohibitive for small-scale farmers, limiting their access to this technology. Addressing these challenges and limitations is crucial for maximizing the potential of drone technology in agriculture and ensuring its sustainable integration into farming practices. Genetic engineering in agriculture is a groundbreaking technology that has revolutionized the way we grow crops and raise livestock. By manipulating the genetic material of plants and animals, scientists can introduce desirable traits that enhance productivity, improve nutritional value, and increase resistance to pests and diseases. One of the most significant applications of genetic engineering in agriculture is the development of genetically modified organisms, GMOs. GMO crops like Bt corn and Roundup Ready soybeans have been engineered to produce their pesticides or tolerate specific herbicides, reducing the need for chemical inputs and promoting sustainable farming practices. Genetic engineering has also enabled the production of crops with enhanced nutritional profiles, such as golden rice, which is fortified with vitamin A to address micronutrient deficiencies in developing countries. Another fascinating aspect of genetic engineering in agriculture is the use of gene editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR allows scientists to make precise changes to the DNA of plants, creating crops with improved traits such as drought tolerance, disease resistance, and shelf life. This technology offers a more targeted and efficient approach to crop improvement compared to traditional breeding methods. Despite its immense potential, genetic engineering in agriculture is not without controversy. Critics raise concerns about the environmental impact of GMOs, potential health risks, and the concentration of power in the hands of biotech companies. Ethical considerations surrounding the patenting of genetically modified seeds and the impact on biodiversity also fuel the debate around genetic engineering. Moving forward, the future of genetic engineering in agriculture holds promise for addressing global food security challenges. By harnessing the power of biotechnology, scientists can develop crops that thrive in changing climates, resist emerging pests and diseases, and provide nutritious food for a growing population. As research in genetic engineering continues to advance, it is essential to balance innovation with responsible stewardship to ensure a sustainable and equitable food system for future generations. Genetic engineering has revolutionized crop improvement by offering a range of applications that enhance the traits and characteristics of plants. One of the primary applications of genetic engineering in crop improvement is the development of pest-resistant crops. By introducing genes from naturally occurring pest-resistant organisms into crop plants, scientists can create varieties that are less susceptible to insect damage. For example, Bt corn contains a gene from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis, which produces a protein toxic to certain insect pests, reducing the need for chemical insecticides. Another significant application is the enhancement of disease resistance in crops. Through genetic engineering, plants can be engineered to express proteins that confer resistance to viral, bacterial, and fungal pathogens. This approach not only protects crops from devastating diseases, but also reduces the reliance on fungicides and antibiotics. Genetic engineering also plays a crucial role in improving the nutritional quality of crops. Scientists have developed biofortified crops that are enriched with essential vitamins, minerals, and micronutrients to address malnutrition and dietary deficiencies. Golden rice, for instance, is genetically engineered to produce beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, to combat vitamin A deficiency in regions where rice is a staple food. Additionally, genetic engineering enables the modification of crop traits related to abiotic stress tolerance. By introducing genes that enhance drought tolerance, salinity tolerance, and cold resistance, scientists can develop crops that thrive in challenging environmental conditions. This is particularly important in the face of climate change, where extreme weather events pose a threat to global food security. Furthermore, genetic engineering offers opportunities for crop yield improvement. By manipulating genes involved in plant growth, development, and productivity, scientists can increase crop yields and optimize resource use efficiency. For example, genetic engineering has been used to enhance photosynthetic efficiency, nitrogen utilization, and seed quality in various crop species. These advancements in crop improvement through genetic engineering hold promise for addressing the complex challenges facing agriculture and ensuring a sustainable food supply for future generations. Ethical considerations surrounding genetic engineering in agriculture are a topic of ongoing debate and scrutiny. One of the primary concerns is the potential environmental impact of genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Critics argue that GMOs may lead to unintended consequences such as the development of superweeds or the disruption of natural ecosystems. Additionally, the long-term effects of releasing genetically modified crops into the environment are not fully understood, raising questions about biodiversity and ecosystem resilience. Another ethical consideration is the issue of food safety and consumer health. Opponents of genetic engineering in agriculture raise concerns about the allergenicity and toxicity of GMOs, as well as the potential transfer of genetic material to non-GMO crops through cross-pollination. Labeling of GMO products and transparency in the food supply chain are key ethical considerations to ensure consumer choice and informed decision-making. Furthermore, the socio-economic implications of genetic engineering in agriculture cannot be overlooked. The concentration of intellectual property rights in the hands of a few biotech companies raises questions about access to technology, farmer autonomy, and food sovereignty. Small-scale farmers in developing countries may face challenges in adopting genetically modified crops due to high costs, regulatory barriers, and dependency on seed suppliers. Balancing the benefits of genetic engineering with ethical considerations requires a holistic approach that considers environmental sustainability, human health, social equity, and regulatory oversight. The future of agriculture is poised for exciting advancements and innovations driven by cutting-edge technologies. One of the key trends shaping the future of agriculture is precision farming, which involves the use of data analytics, sensors, and automation to optimize farming practices. Precision farming enables farmers to make data-driven decisions on crop management, irrigation, and resource allocation, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Another promising trend is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning in agriculture. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights on crop health, pest detection, and yield forecasting. By leveraging AI, farmers can enhance decision-making, reduce operational costs, and improve overall farm management. Blockchain technology is also making inroads in agriculture, offering transparent and secure data management solutions for supply chain traceability, food safety, and quality assurance. By utilizing blockchain, farmers can track the journey of their products from farm to fork, ensuring authenticity and accountability throughout the supply chain. Vertical farming and controlled environment agriculture are emerging trends that hold great potential for sustainable food production in urban areas. By growing crops indoors using hydroponics, aeroponics, and LED lighting, vertical farms can produce fresh, pesticide-free produce year-round while conserving water and land resources. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9 are revolutionizing crop breeding by enabling precise modifications to plant genomes. CRISPR allows scientists to develop crops with enhanced traits such as disease resistance, drought tolerance, and nutritional value in a more targeted and efficient manner. As climate change poses challenges to global food security, resilient crop varieties that can withstand extreme weather conditions are becoming increasingly important. Breeding climate-smart crops through genetic engineering and traditional breeding methods will be crucial for ensuring food security in a changing climate. Overall, the future of agricultural technologies holds immense promise for sustainable, efficient, and resilient food production to meet the needs of a growing population and address the challenges of the 21st century.